Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to view all your transaction histories and purchases on your PlayStation 5. So let's go ahead and jump the video right now. So if you want to know what has been bought on your PlayStation and your PlayStation account, well, this is very easy to view. Now on the home screen here, let's go up to settings and select this. Then go on over to users and accounts. Now, under accounts, let's go over to the right and go to payment and subscriptions. Now, under here, let's go to transaction history. Now, choose an account. So I'm going to choose this one right here and go to continue. Then find a start date and an ending date. So this one is 2022. Let's switch this to 2021. And then let's use today's date as an end date. So let's go to continue now. And here is my most recent purchases. The last thing I bought was Heavenly Bodies. I think that was a PlayStation Plus game of the month. So I went ahead and downloaded that. And you can see it costed $0. Now let's go to the last game I bought, which was Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 Cross-Gen Bundle for $73.49. So if I select this now, I can see the transaction number, the date, the amount, then also the account information. Then also the payment. So I used a Visa credit card for this transaction. Now let's back out here and we can continue to scroll on down. Now it's going to show your DLC that you bought under here as well. So in Multiverses, I bought a in-game currency called Gleamium for $21. Then if I continue to scroll on down, I can maybe even see my purchases for PlayStation Plus. So here I funded my wallet for $5. And here I bought PlayStation Plus 12-month subscription for $62.99. So you can pretty much see anything you ever purchased on your PlayStation, even if it was free, PlayStation Plus, any kind of application, DLC, add-ons. So go ahead and check this out just to verify your transaction history. This video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.